I will use 200,000 to build some orphanages places because I want some orphanages to be good, and I want some children without mom and dad have a good place to stay in. And with 100,000, I will build some mini marts because I want my people to have they can buy. With the 200,000, I will help my parents' businesses because I want my parents' businesses to be better. 300,000 or maybe more than that, I will spend 200,000 to build a museum and put some interesting stuff to let my visitors in the museum get to learn more. And with my final 300,000, I will keep it in my bank.
Buy a phone for 3,000 ringgit, put in the bank for 4,000 ringgit, donate 4,000 to Kembara Kitchen like sugar, salt, biscuit, milk, and other drinks. The other money I will travel around the world. Thank you.
I would like to use 1 million ringgit for family vacation like Australia, Thailand, Japan, Korea, and Paris. With all this money, I would like to see all the friendly humans in all this country.